Come on, honey, the Red Wings game is on.
No, Dad, I'm watching
Tornado Sirens Weekly.
Kagome, you look similar to Kikyu.
Inuyasha, I am just a schoolgirl.
Curse Coyote's magic. Without the Jewel of the Four Souls, I'll never become a full demon.
What the...
Dad, shh!
When I tried to steal the jewel.
I will not let you have the jewel.
I'm not a dog, although I do lick my leg to pee sometimes.
You do indeed look like a dog. Sit, boy. Oddly enough, I also lift my leg to although you wouldn't think so.
Now that was a good
It's over? When's it on again?
Stupid Adult Swim only plays it on Saturdays now.
What? I'm not waiting the whole f***ing week to find out whether Inuyasha and Kagome Come on! Best Buy's closed. Maybe Target's still open.
Dad, you are seriously weirding me out. Dad, I want to watch Gossip Girl.
Inuyasha's on.
I know it's on. You've been watching the DVDs for 8 hours.
Honey, did you go to work today?
Yep.
No, you didn't.
I meant my life.
Do you like the meatloaf, dear?
I'm pretending it's demon. I'm half demon.
Oh, Barry.
Call me Inuyasha.
Yes, Inuyasha.
Yeah, Kagome, I'm giving it to you.
Call me Inuyasha.
I'm doing you, Kagome.
Honey, the Red Wings are on.
Dad, please just let me watch Gossip Girl.
Ooh, who's that? Is that boy that girl? I could really get into this show. And Dad wins.
I'm a firing my laser!
Well, that's been this week's episode of Tornado Sirens Weekly. So, next week, tune in to see what happens when you made a wolf and a 3T22 siren. There's bound to be epicness. Enjoy!